Tapas Sengupta, who's in Kolkata, where, as in Delhi, in Kolkata also, the protesters come out on the streets. Tapas, what is happening in Kolkata? What can you tell us?
Well, after yesterday's rally, another huge rally have been taken out in Kolkata. You can see the members from the Hindu Jagran Manch have come on street, and thousands in numbers. The protesters are marching from Shialda, and they are en route to the Bangladesh Deputy High Commissioner's office, and they want to stage protest outside the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission. They also intend to submit a deputation following the atrocities happening in Bangladesh. I would like to go across to some of them. ये बताइए आप लोग क्या मांग रख रहे हैं आज बांग्लादेश हाई कमीशन के सामने?
जो तकलीफ वाला दुख वाला घटना घट गया 2 दिन पहले, दीपू दास का जो हत्या हुआ है, उनका विरोध में हम रास्ता में उतरे हैं। उनको खबरदारी दे रहे हैं। बांग्ला बहावत में जो बात है, हाथे ना मेरे भाते में न दो, वो खाना हमारा यहाँ से, मेडिसिन हमारा यहाँ से।
You can see it's symbolic protest also. They are carrying medicines, they are carrying food. And they say that Bangladesh boycott from India means they want India to boycott Bangladesh as far as food supply is concerned, as far as medicines are concerned. So keeping that in mind, it's a huge crowd that have come on street at this moment, and not only political figures but also the saints from different sects have also hit the streets today to march and stage their protest, and they are moving towards the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission's office. However, the police have stated that since it's a high security zone, they will not be allowed. Barricading have been done in that area, but despite that, the protest will go on to the barricade, and they would be protesting outside. I would like to go across to some of them. ये बताइए कि आज आप लोग क्या मांग रख रहे हैं बांग्लादेश के सामने?
बांग्लादेश के सामने हम लोग मांग नहीं रख रहे हैं। बांग्लादेश हिंदुओं का मातृभूमि था, हिंदुओं का मातृभूमि है, हिंदुओं का मातृभूमि रहेगा। बांग्लादेश में आज हिंदू घटा, हिंदू संख्या से अल्पसंख्यक हो गया, तो आप लोग देख रहे हैं कैसे पाशविक मध्य युग का बर्बरता जो मानवता को लज्जा देने वाला है, ऐसे ही घटनाएं हो रही है। आज हम लोग बांग्लादेश हाई कमीशन में जाएंगे, हमारा शांतिपूर्ण तरीका से वार्ता रखेंगे और वार्ता रखेंगे। प्रतिवाद प्रतिरोध से काम ना बने तो प्रतिशोध, और हिंदू अगर प्रतिशोध लेने में उतर गया तो उसका नतीजा क्या होता है? बाबरी ढांचा उतार के बाबरी ढांचा का शहीद करके हम लोग दिखा दिए।
Well, you can see that clear anger amongst the people who have hit the streets in large number. I'll show you thousands in numbers. The people from Hindu community from different sects have come together. This rally has been organized by Hindu Jagran Manch, and they are now marching towards the Bangladesh's Deputy High Commission's office, where they intend to protest outside and also submit a deputation to the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission's office in order to stage their protest and give an official document to the Deputy High Commissioner's office. I would like to go across to some of them once again. ये बताइए आज आप लोग बांग्लादेश डेप्यूटी हाई कमीशन के ऑफिस के सामने जा रहे हैं।
It is very unfortunate that our neighboring country Bangladesh, what we have seen as a saint, our job is not to walk in rallies. Our main job is to promote spirituality. We are Hindus and we are proud of it. But what exactly we have seen? We have seen humanity is in danger. Humanity has been killed. Our brother, Sanatani brother, Deepu, he has been brutally murdered. I am asking to the mankind, to the humanity of this whole world, is this humanity? ये क्या मानवता है? एक निरपराध युवक को मार के हत्या किया जा रहा है, सिर्फ वो सनातनी निर्दोष है वो। इसके लिए ये बहुत शर्मनाक है, दर्दनाक है। हिंदू होने के नाते सारे हिंदू को एकजुट होना है और प्रतिवाद में शामिल होना है। सनातन धर्म कभी किसी को मारने का नहीं बोलता है, दंगा फसाद करने का नहीं बोलता है, वो सहनशीलता का बात बोलता है।
Well, that's the message loud and clear, that the kind of atrocities going against Hindus in Bangladesh, especially Deepu Das's incident, have clearly stated. You can see the effigy of Muhammad Yunus have also been carried out in this rally at this moment, and it's a message to the Bangladesh that this crowd and these protesters are trying to send across to Bangladesh. They want Indian government to also take stern action in order to curb atrocities against the minorities in Bangladesh. But as of now, several such rallies are planned in days to come in Kolkata, who all will be marching towards the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission's office, but they haven't got an appointment as yet. It needs to be seen, since it's a high security zone. Police have barricaded the entire area. Whether this rally will be allowed to go anywhere close to the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission's office is something that we need to wait and watch. But as of now, the message is loud and clear. The atrocities against the Hindus, the atrocity against the humanity is the subject matter putting forward, which this entire rally is going out at the moment from Kolkata's Shialda to the Deputy High Commission's office in Bangladesh in Beg Bagan area.
You've been marching with these protesters for the last several minutes. You've been talking to several of them, and you've also been tracking what is happening in Bangladesh as well. Tapas, stay on with me.